In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a country drop-down list in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a survey, a registration form, or any other type of form, having a drop-down list for countries can make data entry simpler and give a more professional touch to your form. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to Google Forms. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Google Forms. Once you've reached the home page, you'll be presented with the option to create a new form. Here, you want to click on the blank form option to begin with a fresh template. With your new blank form open, it's time to focus on the foundation, the title. Click on the title section at the top and type in your desired title for the form. For example, if you're organizing an international conference, you might title it Conference Registration. Now, we're going to get to the main part, adding your country list. In order to do this, you'll need to add a question. Click on the option titled Dropdown. This is where we will enter our list of countries. The next step involves pasting in the list of countries. If you don't already have this list, you can easily find one online. Once you have it, simply copy the list of country names and paste it directly into the drop-down options. This will populate the drop-down with all the countries you need. Once the countries are added, it's a good idea to make this question a required one, especially if the selection of a country is essential for your form's purpose. To do this, simply toggle the required button at the bottom of the question. This ensures that respondents cannot submit the form without selecting an option. With the list set up, it's always a good practice to preview your form to see it from a respondent's perspective. To do this, click on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a preview of the form and you can test the drop-down functionality here. Once in preview mode, take a moment to view how the drop-down list appears on the respondent's end. Try selecting a country to ensure everything is functioning as it should. This final check helps you make sure that the list is complete and easily navigable. And that's it. You've successfully added a country drop-down list to your Google form. This simple addition can enhance the quality and professionalism of your form, facilitating easier and more accurate data collection for whatever purpose you have in mind. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to streamline your form creation process on Google Forms.